We're recording. Hi, I'm Matt Payne, one of the trainers here at Metropolitan Community College Code School, and I'm with Keita, a very, very strong individual who's self-taught tons and tons of stuff. And I'm going to be showing off his application earlier today. And we'd like to start with a Code School tradition, which is thanking Skip. Thanks, Skip.
Thanks, Skip. Thanks, Skip.
Okay. So, Keita, what you've done is you've started with a very simple idea, and you've designed a solution yourself, and your aesthetics are fantastic, and I'm very eager to show it off. So I'm going to start with sharing the screen. And I'm going to note that you're using JSON server on the back end to serve a JSON JavaScript object notation file as a simple RESTful endpoint. And the application looks like this. Let me come here to the home. So welcome. We're glad you're here at the Code School Application Assignments Management program. And thanks for choosing all these great photos of Code School, Keita. And there's a lot of assignments, so it's nice that you have a partial list here. It would have been too much to have it all, but you can search things. So you can see here that we can search for CSS, or we can search for just Java. We can search for things that talk about an IDE and so on. And one of the things that's nice is you have a mechanism to add assignments. So if someone wanted to learn the Rails application development framework, we could have a Rails 101 assignment, and it might have a link assigned with it, and it might have a due date and a link to find out more about it. And then finally, what languages it uses. And we can add some competencies here. So since Rails uses the model view controller, we can add that in. We can also add in a Ruby competency, and finally a Rails competency. And when we're all done, we can save that out to the database, and it takes us back here to the list, so we can then see, hey, do we have anything that involves Ruby? And sure enough, we do. Very nice. Another thing, in addition to the larger assignments list and adding an assignment, is there's all these different Code School learning materials that we have here. For example, one of my personal favorite is Get Up to the Plate and Take a Turn at Bat with the coding bat. And you can go here and do all these exercises in Java or Python. You can find any one of these resources here and find out more about it as you go. Really an amazing job as a developer that was a team of one. You got a lot done, Keita. I'm very impressed. Thank you very, very much, sir.
Thank you much. I appreciate it. Yeah.
And as we like to close our meetings at Code School when we make a video, thanks, Skip.
Thanks, Skip. Thank you.